Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 15, that is improvement in food resource. What is food resource? Food resource include cereals, which include wheat, rice, maize, millet, and which provide us carbohydrate. And carbohydrate is essential for energy. Next is pulses, which include gram, peas, which provide us protein. Other is oil seed, which provide us fat. Vegetables and fruits provide us minerals, nucleic acid, and vitamins. In addition to these fooder crop like oats, sudden grass are raised as a food for livestock that are called fooder crops. On the basis of cultivation of crop season crops are divided in three: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid that you have already studied in the last video. Crop improvement that you know very well. Why crop improvement is essential? As the population is increasing, the demand of food is also increasing. So in order to feed that demand, the crop improvement is essential, and this can be done with the help of three methods: crop variety improvement, crop production management, and crop protection. All three are important to improve the quality. First is crop variety improvement. How we can improve the variety of the crop. The different methods are there. First is hybridization. Genetically different plants are crossed with. There are three type of crossing also. Intervarietal within the same two varieties of the plant. Interspecific between two species belonging to the same genus, and intergeneric between species of different genus. Introduction of gene. A gene that can provide the desirable characteristic to a crop are introduced in this process. As a result, we obtain genetically modified crop. For example, suppose a wheat or a rice that may have less protein content. In order to increase that protein content, introduction of genes, such gene can be introduced in that crop in order to increase the protein content. The seed used by the farmer, the seed that are of similar variety are preferable. Climate and weather condition, crop that can sustain desirable climate condition are preferable. Durability of the soil, crop that can survive in a highly saline soil are preferred. Crop should be grown as per availability of water in the region. So these things, introduction of the gene means such kind of gene will be introduced in that plant which can survive in the water. Durability of the soil means that in all such conditions that can be survived. So such kind of gene may be introduced in that plant. Factor for which variety improvement is done are high yield. In order to improve the yield means productivity. Improve the quality, that crop quality will also improve. Biotic and abiotic resistance means that it can resist in such kind of harsh abiotic condition also. Change in maturity duration, yes, in order to have maturity means as much early. If that plant require less time for maturity, that is very good. Wider adaptability means that it can adapt in such kind of adaptability. Desirable agronic character, plant nutrients are supplied to a plant by air, water, and soil. There are 16 nutrients which are essential for plant. All supplies carbon and oxygen. Hydrogen comes from water, and the soil supplied the other 13 nutrients to the plant. Among these 13 nutrients, 6 are required in a large quantity and are therefore called micronutrients. and the other 7 are used by the plant in small quantities, are therefore called micronutrients.